Hello, District Director
Hello.
Berman. We attended a kickoff event for the Employee Health Challenge in November. Tell us about that program and event.
Okay, so in November we did the kickoff for the Employee Health Challenge, and our kickoff event was just a walk around the office complex, which if you walk around the entire complex, it's half a mile. And so you can do that every day if you'd like, but that was a chance to get people to get up and walk and get a few extra steps in their day.
And we haven't seen this type of program in District 11 before. What is the goal of the Employee Health Challenge?
So yes, everybody wants to know what's the goal and what do I get if I win the challenge, and you get better health is what you get. But the goal is because we are focusing more on safety and health and not just safety, the goal is to focus on our own health as well as the health, public health as a part of transportation. So the idea was to focus on our own health, and I've seen other agencies and private sector companies do this, and I think there's been some interest from our employees in having a health program. I didn't have a budget for it, so this is a very low-cost way to implement something for our employees. When we, those of you that have been around long enough might recall when we first started sitting at our computers all day, the advice was get up and take a break from looking at your monitor. Now the advice is get up and take a break and walk around for a bit, or at least stand up for a few minutes.
How do we find out more about the program and who to contact?
Okay, so there is a website on the intranet which we can share with you, and that has information about upcoming programs and also is an opportunity to log your miles, and I'll get back to that in a minute. And then you can also contact Gerard Shadurgian, who is the architect of the program, and he has a committee as well, and the committee members are listed on the intranet site also.
Thank you. That sounds great. What type of events can we expect in the program?
Okay, so there's a lot of good stuff coming up. First, I would remind people we do have an employee gym or the wellness center, and if you're interested in joining that, you should contact Jacob Armstrong. We also will have more walks. I'm thinking of doing pop-up walks, which are just spontaneous, let's get up and move. We've had in the past 5K, 10K runs, and I expect you'll see a few more of those in the future. And whatever the employees are interested in seeing, if people are interested in going for a bike ride together or whatever, I think it's up to the committee to work with the employees to see what they'd like. We're starting this year off with a roam or bust, and so we're asking employees to track their mileage, and it doesn't have to be, you don't have to go out and buy a Fitbit or anything. You can use your phone, or you can count the number of minutes you walk, but we'll be competing and to see which division or divisions get to roam first by the number of steps they're taking.
Why now? Why is it important to you as the district director and the department to get this employee health program moving?
So I think, employee health is really important. And I thought it was a very good, as I said, low-cost thing that we could implement that's good for morale, it's good for people's health. There's a lot of research out now that says that sitting is the new smoking, and so I wanted us to get up and get out of our seats and walk around and then get right back to work.
There was also talk about having walking meetings.
Some people have talked about that, yes. I haven't tried that yet myself, but sometimes I do have people walk with me while they want to talk to me because I'm on my way somewhere. So we could try walking meetings.
Well, you heard it from District Director Lori Berman. Get moving, get fit.